I could have burped before. Oh, alright. This is my third time going through school. I have a bachelor's degree, I have a master's degree, and I'm on my second master's. Never had a good system for keeping my notes. So this is what I've figured out over my 7 or 8 years of college. You heard that right. I've been in college a lot. Tried to keep a lot of digital files. I lost most of those because you lose access to your drive. You don't think that you're gonna need these. You don't think about these things. So what I figured out finally is to have a binder set up for each class or each topic, depending on how you want to do it. Then use a notebook, and you can use several notebooks, one notebook. I used to use one notebook per subject. Then other classes took almost 2 full notebooks. I was wasting a lot of paper because I was trying to keep my notebooks together. What works better is if you use a notebook and you take your notes and then you just rip it out of the notebook and put it into your binder for that subject or for that topic. If I'm writing about a character, about a setting, or a plot, then I can put that in that section of my binder. This is my homework binder for the current semester, and I have a tab for my first class, because I only have 2 classes, and a tab for my second class. And then I have all of my information and all of my printed articles inside there. I never reviewed my notes because if I learned it and I talked about it enough in class, then I retained it for the class. Now, I don't remember any of it. And I don't have the references. So I found a better way, for me at least, to keep my notes for later usage. It also stops you from accumulating half notebooks and wasting paper. Take it from someone who's been to college for too many years now and doesn't have a PhD. I really wish somebody would have helped me do this before. So this is my gift to you. I don't ever remember being told really how to do it. A lot of it is trial and error. So I hope this helped. Let me know if you think the system works, if you've tried it, or if you have a better system that other people might use. Leave it in the comments. I don't intend on doing a lot of these videos, but it was something that was relevant and I always thought would be helpful. Thanks for watching.